Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and do another game with the dice with the greater than and less than. Except this time, instead of being virtual on a computer, I'm gonna show you how to do it with some real dice, okay? So you can go get two real dice, like from a board game or anything like that. I got two of them right here. And then you can also get something to write on. So you can get your boogie board, a piece of paper, a whiteboard, anything you want. Hit pause, go get those things, and come back and I'll show you how to play the game with real dice. All right, guys, I hope you got your materials. And if you have two real dice, that's awesome. Or if you have one dice, like the little one that we made as a class, you can use that one too. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera and I'm gonna show you how to play the game. All right, guys, I have my whiteboard and my markers, and I have my two dice. So I'm gonna get out of the light so it's not so bright on you guys. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to shake my dice. Oh my gosh, okay, so I have a 5 and a 3. So you can put your dice like this if you want to, and then go ahead and take a marker and draw which one is greater than. Remember, greater means it has more. So you know that this is 5, down and around, and give it a hat, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 dots. All right, and there's 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. So you can write halfway around and around again. Now, which one do you think the alligator's gonna eat? Is he gonna eat the 5 or the 3? Well, I hope you said 5 because there's more dots on the 5 than there are on 3. So you're gonna draw the alligator eating this way. So that means 5 is greater than 3, okay? So 5 is greater than 3. All right, we're gonna leave that right there, and I'm gonna shake my dice again. Oh, look, I have a 2 and a 2. Oh my gosh, let me write those numbers. So I have a 2, curve around and go to the right, and I'm gonna do it again, curve around and go to the right. So now I have a 2 and a 2. They're the same. So we need to do equal ninja. All right, so 2 is the same as 2. Oh my gosh, that's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna shake my dice again. Roll the dice. Oh, I got 5 and 3 again. I already did that one. Haha, isn't that silly? All right, let's try that one again. Let's do a different one. Oh, I got a 3 and a 6. Oh my gosh, okay. So I can write a 3 on my board. Let's go ahead and do that. So 3, halfway around and around again, and then I got a 6, and you can count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So slant on down and give it a curl. All right, which one do you think the alligator's gonna eat? Is he gonna eat the 3 or the 6? I wonder which one. Well, 6 definitely has more dots than 3. So the alligator's gonna go the other way, and here you go. That means that this is 3 is less than 6, okay? 3 is less than 6. So that's how you can play by yourself. Now, if you wanted to, you could play with your brother, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, your cousin, your best friend. You could play with your dog. You maybe teach the dog how to roll a dice. I don't know. You could play with mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, anybody that you want. So what you're going to do is I flip my board over so I have something new. So let's pretend that we have two different people. You know what? I'm going to play with Stitch. Here we go. Hi, Stitch. All right, so Stitch is sitting with me, and you can play with your friend. And I'm going to roll my dice first. Oh, Stitchy, I got a 4. So I'm going to write a 4. Down and right and cut in 2. All right, Stitch, let's pretend Stitch is rolling, okay? You can roll yours if you're playing with your stuffed animal too. Oh my gosh, Stitch got a 4 too. So he goes down right and cut in 2. Miss Keegan had to write it upside down so that way it faces him. And oh my gosh, they are what? They're equal. So in the middle, I'm going to draw an equal sign. Oh my gosh, because 4 matches 4. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and do another turn. So I'm going to erase this 4. And I'm going to erase this. And I'm going to erase this. And if you're on your boogie board, you could just hit the delete button. All right, now I'm going to take a turn. Oh, I got a 1. So I'm going to come straight down, and that is all. Oh, you know what? We got to do points. So points. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do some points on our board. All right. So here we go. Sorry, I'm setting up my board. So Ms. Keegan and Stitch both got a point because we got equal. So when you get an equal, both people get his point, okay? So that's Stitch's points. These are my points. All right, so I got a 1. All right, let's roll for Stitch. Let's see. Stitch, what are you going to get today? Oh, Stitch got a 3. So halfway around and around again. So Stitch got a 3. So Stitch has the bigger number, right? So the alligator, yum, num, 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 is going to eat Stitch's number. So I drew the alligator eating Stitch's number. And so that means Stitch wins. So Stitch gets a point. Good job, Stitch. All right, let's try that one again. Let's do a different one. I'm going to erase again. All right, here we go. Stitch, since Stitch got the point, he gets to roll first. So roll Stitch's dice. Oh, he got a 1. Oh, no, Stitch, I don't know if I can beat that. All right, I'm going to roll. Oh, I got a 5. So down and around and give it a hat. All right, and now which one's bigger? The 5. So I'm going to have my alligator eat the number 5. So 5 is greater than 1. Okay, so that means that since I won, I get a point. All right, we're going to play one more. Let's see who's going to be the winner because we need a tie, okay? So if it's going to be me or is it going to be Stitch? Let's see who the winner's going to be. I'm going to erase. All right, I got the bigger number, so I get to roll next. I get to roll first. Oh, I got a 6. Ooh, I might win because 6 is a big number. Slant on down and give it a curl. All right, let's roll Stitch's dice. Oh, Stitch got a 4. So down and right and cut in 2. Oh my gosh, which one's bigger, the 6 or the 4? 6 has a lot more dots, so I win. Woohoo! So I'm going to draw the alligator eating my 6. All right, so 6 is greater than 4. So I get the point, and I am the winner because I have the most points. Look, there's more, that word more again. So I have more points, so I win. So you guys can go ahead and play with your stuffed animals. You can play with mom, dad, brother, sister, cousin, your best friend. You can play with whoever you want, but that is another way to play the greater than dice game. Have fun, guys.